We're live from Chevy Chase.
Welcome back. It's time for some Wednesday Wisdom.
Today's Wednesday Wisdom is sponsored by Peterson Law Office.
And with us, of course, we have Justin Peterson of the Peterson Law Office. Welcome back.
Hello again.
Hi,
How are we
friend.
doing?
Good.
What's up?
We want to talk about artificial intelligence because
AI.
it's everywhere these days.
It is.
But how does it affect personal
here.
injury cases?
It's here. Yeah, it's definitely in law. It's a huge deal right now, and my firm is definitely we're going full into this thing. We have probably one of the best legal ones right now on the market, and we use it to make our lives more efficient, our work product better, client communication better, and it's just real exciting. It's new to us still, even though it's been here for a minute, but we're really using it to try to make our jobs better.
Give an example of how it can really be used.
Yeah, so in our world, we will get stacks and stacks of medical records that are just take 5 to 10 hours to review, and AI does it in minutes or seconds sometimes, and it's really thorough. Now the big thing about AI right now is there's still the human component. We got to go back in and check it, but really what used to take a paralegal 10 hours to do will take minutes to conduct the summary, and then they still have to review it, so maybe an hour or whatever. But it's going to make us more efficient. It's going to make us better at what we do, and hopefully help our clients as well.
Okay, well, let's talk about the clients involved in personal injury cases.
Yes.
Does it affect the value, and can an AI predict the value of a case?
There are probably things out there where it says it can, but I would not rely on that. I think the value of a case is largely based on experience. I've only handled thousands of personal injury cases. I have the record commercial vehicle settlement in Kentucky history. I have the record medical malpractice settlement in Kentucky history, and no other attorneys can say that. And a lot of that has to do with knowing what we can do. So while AI is very good at certain things, at the end of the day, what we do, we have to be empathetic. We have to show grace. Our clients are going through a horrible situation. AI is not going to do that, right?
Yeah,
we got to have the human component. My paralegals and all of our attorneys know that as well.
Is this being used just for personal injury cases or other cases?
No, it's all across law, especially with contract review. In fact, probably personal injury less than a lot of other things, because personal injury requires so much face-to-face interaction, discussions, things of that nature. Now, if you're just doing contract review or contract comparison or drafting big appellate briefs that require dozens of depositions to be input, AI can do a lot of that for you right now. But in our world, we're so client forward-facing that I think it's going to take a little while before we get any further.
So you're not going to be replaced?
No, AI, and I told you I have a quote. I have a quote that, because that's the big fear, right? Especially with paralegals, is like, are we going to be replaced? And the quote is, AI will not replace humans. Humans who know AI will replace those that don't. And I do believe in that.
Very deep.
So I
That is deep.
I know, try not to cry. But I'm telling you, it's something we have to lean into. My whole staff are doing it. We have a testing protocol to show us where we're at in AI in our lives. Like, are we using it? Are we willing to use it? Are we willing to change our mindset? And you got to be in this world. You got to be ready to go if you're going to be efficient at business right now.
Yeah, and you all are just pros at utilizing every tool that's available to you. That's one of the benefits of contacting the Peterson Law Office.
Absolutely. You're going to talk to us. You're not going to talk to Justin Bot just yet. You're not talking to Justin Bot just yet. You're going to actually talk to Justin. And you're going to talk to my paralegals, because like I said, so much of what we do is client forward facing, helping people every single day.
Okay.
All right. Well, and remind everybody how they can get a hold of you.
Yes. Call us at 859-469-6390. You can go to our website at justinpetersonlaw.com. Look at our results, see what we've done in the past to make sure it's a good fit for you.
All right. He's the real deal.
Yes.
All the information is up on the screen.
Today's Wednesday Wisdom was sponsored by Peterson Law Office.